In a previous video, we walked through the steps of setting up an alternative payment schedule for a reservation. Now I want to show you what a reservation looks like that has an alternative payment schedule. From the general screen of a reservation, click on the Pay Up button. On this screen, you will notice a new button, the ADP Schedule. When you click on this, you will show what the current schedule is for the down payment. The two payments we have showing here will correspond with the information we entered on the Schedule tab under Financial when we were setting up the alternative down payment schedule. If you would like to make any changes on this specific reservation with regards to when a payment is due or how much is due, you may do so from this screen. If you do make any changes, be sure you click the Save Schedule button when you finish. After you have completed any information you want to change on the screen, click Cancel and you will be taken back out to the Pay Up screen. From here, you make a payment just as you normally would by clicking the Pay Receivable button. For reservations that have an alternative down payment schedule set up, you will see the details of it at the bottom of the screen. The amounts due for the individual down payment portions total the entire down payment amount due, not including the damage deposit. This video should give you a good idea of what you will see on the Pay Up screen of a reservation that has an alternative down payment. If you have questions or would like additional information, please watch our other videos or contact the help desk. Thank you.